Hello Shreejit, what are you doing?
Sir, I am now making a website on our free school, Big Passion.
You made this website.
Yes, sir.
What are the languages that you used for this?
I used HTML, CSS and JavaScript.
Okay, can you show me the website?
Of course, sir. So here is the header, which is Big Passion, our free school, and here I have added a sticky header which has some links the links are on our RMS history project. This is our page of our director sir Shreejit Jha, and this is our school's page, a big public school. I have here added a hero slider, means an automatic slideshow which will slide without any control.
Is it an automated slideshow?
Yes, it is an automatic slideshow. See, it's moving. I have done this automatic slideshow with the help of hero slider and the code is of JavaScript. And when we will put the cursor on top of the photo, the photo will think that I am interested to see the photo. That's why the photo will not move. But if we move the cursor out of the photo, the slideshow will again start. And I have also added some quick links here, like it's on the basis of the photo. So here now it is an education photo. So here explore our programs will lead us to the education page. And here in the middle I have written some words on our respected director sir Shreejit Jha. So here I have also written few words on education, computer learning, dance academy and football academy. In our free school, these things we teach to our tribal students. So on clicking this thing, we can go to another page where we can learn more about these topics.
Can you show me once?
This thing.
Okay.
It's beneath all of the projects. It is the explore programs and view academy details.
And this one?
So it's called footer. Means I have also written few words on our free school. I've given some quick links and I've added the contact, our address, phone number and our Gmail ID. Here I have also added some links of our XI account, Twitter, Instagram account, YouTube channel and Facebook account. Like now I will click on X account, so it will lead us to our X account. This is our X account of Epic Pathshala.
Okay. So what are the languages that you said?
HTML, CSS and JavaScript.
Okay. What is the purpose to use three different languages?
The purpose to use three different languages are that these languages make the website a better one, an enhanced version one, and a website which is very advanced in this generation. HTML is a language which we can think as the skeleton of this website.
And JavaScript?
JavaScript we can think as the muscles that is our power of the website. Like this hero slider is done by JavaScript, and here I have also added a thing which will take us it's a button actually which will take us to the top. This is also done with JavaScript.
Okay. And CSS one?
And CSS we can think as the skin and the clothes of our body which attracts the website the most.
Okay. Which platform that you use for coding?
I used VS Code for coding.
Can you show me which platform that you use for coding?
Yeah, I used VS Code for coding. This is the code.
This is the code. Show me which one is the header, which is the footer.
Okay, so the header is, this part is called the head. And from here it's the style which I have used only once and it will show in whole website. And now I want to show the hero slider to you. Yeah. So this part is the hero slider, which is used for the slide part, for the slideshow part.
Okay.
So here I have added few words that you have seen there on top of the picture, and here is the half tag I have used for the links, quick links, and this is the picture link of the picture.
Which tag that you used for hyperlink?
I used a tag for the hyperlink. Here I have also added the mobile version of this website. So let me show you. This is the mobile version of our website. This is the start, and here is the menu, like what are the links are there, and here it is really same as the website.
You made the mobile version of it.
Yes.
Amazing. It's really great. Okay. So apart from this page, what are the projects that you are doing?
I'm making an app on the project called IoT and AI, where I'm making an app on agriculture for the help of the farmers, and also that they don't face any problem in curing the plants.
Okay. IoT and AI.
Yeah.
In which class that you are in?
I am in class 7.
Okay, you are in class 7 and you made these kind of projects. Amazing.